Introducing the Seima Collections. Each collection is designed around products that are similar in materials, aesthetics, or practicality. The Essential Collection is your gateway to the world of Seima. It features classic products designed for practical use and longevity. The Foundation Collection is a step up in aesthetic simplicity, elegant shapes and durability, all must-haves for any modern living space. The Elevate Collection is centered around modern design and individual expression. It brings together soft shapes and defined artistic lines. The products in this collection are a perfect unison of form and function. The Fusion Collection blends artistic shapes and colors, meticulous craft and natural elements. It's an amalgamation of materials for durability, purpose, and style. The Evolve Collection is a departure from the ordinary and the discovery of originality and imagination. The Seima Collections offer a unique perspective into our passion for design, innovation, and pursuit of long-lasting products. Whether you're setting up a sprawling township or renovating a kitchen, laundry, or bathroom, you'll find a Seima Collection that's in flow with your next project. Seima, in flow with you.